So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Shopify URL. So the first thing you want to do is go to shopify.com. So once you've gone there, you will see on here home, orders, products, customers, marketing, discounts, content, markets, analytics, online store, ad, and settings. Now through here, you will see some of the options right away, but I suggest you go to your domains, which will be in your settings. From here, you can see general, plan, billing, users, payments, checkout, and stuff like that. Go to domains, and through here, you can just go ahead and buy a new domain. You can connect an existing one. If you click on buy a new domain, you can change your URL, but right now your URL will be the same one as it is on here. So these random letters with .myshopify.com. So you can click change to a new myshopify.com domain. If you want to change your URL and you still want to use myshopify.com, you can do that through here. If you wish to change your URL entirely, so you want to strip your URL of that myshopify.com part, you will need to click on buy a new domain, and through here you're gonna go to see search domains. Then you can just type in something like new URL.com. It will go through here if it's available or not. You can use something similar to rent it out, and then you can buy it and change it to whatever you want if you're ready to buy that similar domain. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.